Guys, it's officially time. It is the moment you've all been waiting for. Today is my annual tree decorating day. I am so excited. I feel like I've blinked and it's Christmas again. Does anyone else ever feel like that? And now I'm counting the weeks down and I'm thinking, oh my goodness, we're 7 weeks, I think it is, until Christmas. Absolute crazy, it blows my mind. But anyway, for those of you that have been here a while now, you will know every single year I do my annual tree decorating video at the beginning of November, just to ensure I bring you guys the inspo early. And yeah, if you are thinking about adding a few different things to your tree this year or mixing it up, or just want to simply see what I do on my tree, then this video is for you guys. If you've been here for a while now, you will know my kind of vibe when it comes to tree decorating. It's just traditional Christmas. The years that I've done no red and burgundy and like warm tones, I've almost felt just like it's not Christmas. And don't get me wrong, I love the Scandi tree that I did, the beige, the browns. Like I truly do love those colours and them tones, and I enjoyed doing them and mixing it up, but it just didn't feel like Christmas. So if you watched my last year's video, I will leave that linked actually in the description so you can have a little look at that one too, because I do kind of different every year, but kind of use the same stuff, may buy new stuff. I've actually bought quite a bit of new stuff this year, but yeah, that I did a red tree last year, and I also did a kind of more cream and brown, I think gold as well, maybe in the living room. So I'll link that video. But anyway, this year we're sticking with the traditional Christmas, the reds, the burgundies, the warm colours. However, we're adding a little bit of a twist. I mean, if you've been anywhere on social media in the last month and seeing, you know, the starts of Christmas being pushed out, you'd have saw that a trend that's actually really popular this year is kind of like vintage, old school, nostalgic Christmas, and also a Ralph Lauren Christmas, which for me, that's very just like vintage and nostalgic and traditional. I feel like just putting a name on it. But one thing I do love about the Ralph Lauren is the bears. And we have an exciting decoration that we're adding on our tree this year. So when me and Mum come to having a look at what we're gonna do for the tree, because I do have my assistant, she's actually with me now, guys. We always do the rounds of the the garden centres, and just have a look like what's out there, if any little bits are different. Because like I say, I like to mix it up. I like to do something different. And we stumbled across the most gorgeous bears, didn't we, in a garden centre. And like once we'd found that, that was our basis of the tree, wasn't it? Anyway, I'm not going to keep rambling. Let's get into our annual Christmas tree decorating. So without further ado, let me get changed, because if you've been around here for long enough now, you know I love to get my Christmas PJs on, make a nice hot chocolate. I would say put a film on and some music, but you know what? I'm actually an overstimulated girly, and because I don't have a clue what I'm doing with this tree, I mean, I've got all the stuff, but it actually piecing it together, that's a challenge in itself. I'm probably gonna put that on halfway through once I kind of grasped what I'm doing. Anyway guys, I'm so excited to bring you this video, and let's decorate my tree for 2025.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring, it will always be Christmas in my heart.
Okay guys, so first things first, let's unbox the tree. So I've gone for the 7-foot Sherwood Real Look Full Tree. Now you're probably thinking, why have you got a new tree? I've got a gorgeous Balsam Hill one. Now the Balsam Hill one is a 6.5 foot tree, so that goes in the back room, and I always like a 7-foot tree, just a bit more of a bigger one for the living room. I think I could probably even get away with 8 foot. I have seen a girl with an 8-foot one, you know, with not like super high ceiling, just like a new build. But me and Mitchell was both saying it kind of like hits the top of the ceiling and it just looks a bit too much. So anyway, opted to go for the 7-foot one. But the reason why I've gone for a new tree this year is because my John Lewis one, guys, surprise, surprise, it's actually 8 years old. I feel like people kind of forget that I have had that one for ages now, and there is absolutely nothing wrong with it, and it's pre-lit and it is beautiful, but I just fancy a new one. So yeah, got this one, and I feel like it's quite, I'm going to say budget inverted commas. I managed to get this in the sale for, I think it was just under 200. It's normally around 300. And I feel like as far as like good quality trees go, my opinion is always just spend a little bit more to get one that will last you. Right, let's unbox, let's see what it's like. Fingers crossed it actually looks nice, because you just never know, do you? But I've seen this, you know, like on a lot of pictures and stuff, and it looks really nice, but let's see what it looks like in real life. Okay guys, so we've assembled the tree. Hardest part in my opinion, and the least enjoyable part, don't you think, Mum?
Yeah.
But how nice is this? I was just saying to Mum, I think this is such a good quality, nice colour, nice looking tree for, like I say, I got it on discount, I think it was 199. What do you think?
I think it looks good.
Because some trees like this, I'm not even joking, they're like £500–600 during the garden centre.
Yeah.
And I think that looks, I think that's good. Like, I appreciate it's still not like cheap. You can get £50 trees, but I always like to just pay a little bit more, and then hopefully it lasts.
Still needs a bit tweaking.
Yeah, it still needs a bit bushing out and stuff, but it's a work in process. We've got the main bit done. The only issue and the only downfall with this tree, and probably why it is slightly cheaper than, let's say, like the Balsam Hill one and the John Lewis one I bought, is because it's not pre-lit. And this is the first time I've not had a pre-lit one, and don't know how I feel about that, but we shall see. I've got Mum here, she's really good with putting lights on, so you are. So yeah, anyway, I just thought I'd show you that. I'll show you it from another light as well. It's getting dark already, guys, but it is like 3 o'clock. Yeah, I do think it looks, it's nice though, it's nice and bushy. Bushier than my John Lewis one. My John Lewis one had so many gapes and holes in, and I was just saying as well, like, it was just such a lighter colour, and just, I don't know, it just didn't look like a realistic green colour. Does that make sense? Yeah. Anyway, let's go. Mum is now putting the lights on. Excuse a few random ornaments on the tree. She got excited as soon as the tree was up, didn't you? Yeah. And you had to put them on and see a little sneak peek of what we've got. Yeah, we had to nip out to B&M because the lights I had got, I used them on Saturday for the Halloween party, and I think someone's cut through them because there was a cut in them. So I just got 2 packs of these from B&M. So yeah, we think we're going to need 2 packs. That will be 800, and I always go for warm white personally. So I don't think they're too bad value, £15 a pack. I mean, I'm not sure how much lights are, but yeah, just thought I'd share it and show you them. Mum is saying that the best way to do them is go down, which I've never seen has be done before.
Go down and up, yeah.
So is this easier than wrapping it around? I guess it is actually. Like, I would never think to do that. But then you can see the wires.
Well, you put it in, don't you?
Uh-oh.
You gotta,
Teddy bear's gone.
so you got to put the wires in.
Okay.
So put them in, I'll put it up like that, and then you've got to...
Like, push them in?
Yeah.
Okay.
And wrap it around.
So why would you say that this method is better than wrapping?
Don't know, I just read it that you're supposed to do it.
Oh.
Have a look, a lot of people.
Okay, let me get them ornaments off before they get smashed. Okay guys, it's the next day now because it was getting dark, and I wanted to be able to show you the tree in the daylight and in all of its glory before we decorate. So as I mentioned, this is the very Sherwood 7-foot tree. They do it in a few different sizes. It fits perfectly. Obviously we're in a new build house, and as you can see, I feel like if you got the 8-foot, you'd be bending the top, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
It'd be too big. Just the perfect size. It is a very big tree, so if I just stand back and kind of let you gauge the size, it is quite a wide tree, so you definitely need a bit of space, don't you, for it? Yeah. But I honestly can't get over the quality of this. To show you the branches, it's got like real, like, realistic branches, but then it has the green ones to really like bush out in between, and that's kind of my ideal tree. Excuse the lights for the moment because we haven't pushed them all in yet. I did have so many questions about lights already on Instagram, and Mum was saying that shop your lights early because apparently they sell it out every year, you say. I've never had to buy lights before, so I'm not familiar with how quick they sell out, but these were from B&M, £15 a pack. I have used 2 packs plus I had a pack of lights with probably only about 100 on, didn't I? So I think maybe in total I've done like 900 lights, so 2 packs of B&M one, and then just an odd pack I had. But you could probably get away with just 2 packs, couldn't you?
Yeah.
If you just spread them out and stuff. Anyway, tree skirt as well. I always get questions about this. Do you know where this tree skirt's from? I think it's from Amazon. So if I can find the link, I'll let you know. I'm sure it's Amazon because I was struggling to find, like, in shops, ones wide enough for my base. The one I've got in the other room doesn't particularly fit on. It kind of, at the back it doesn't fit, but at the front it looks like it fits. So if I find it on my Amazon, I will, again, link that as well. Right, let's get on to decorations and what theme we're going for this year. I've started to lay some of them out. So, as you can see, classic, traditional. I mean, we'll name it by the theme, Ralph Lauren. This year we put the addition as well of some tartan and these bears. I feel like these are the star of the show, aren't they, Mum? We're really hoping we can get some more because I don't think I've picked enough up. And we actually thought these were a good price. Considering you get like your poinsettias and all of them things, and they can be like £6–7, can't they? These were £4.99.
That's just as much as a bauble.
Yeah, and like some of your baubles can be so expensive. So yeah, thought we'd add a little bear this year and just do something a little bit different. Ribbon, guys, which again I think is a little bit of a steal. This is 3 for £5 from B&M. I feel like this will sell out fast and I'm kind of regretting not getting all the rolls on the shelf because I think I might need some more. Me and Mum made some bows. Well, I say me and Mum actually made them because I'm really crap, but I'll get better. And how many did you say we got out of one roll? Four.
That's a different colour, that ribbon.
Which one?
Do what there?
Well, do you know what it is? On the shelf, they all had different patterns.
Yeah. So it doesn't really matter which colour each tartan you get.
No. Yeah, and then all these baubles, by the way, because I know a lot of you are going to be asking where the baubles are. You might have saw when me and Mum went on our road trip the other week to that Christmas wholesale place up near Liverpool. We got a lot from there, didn't we? The range also have some gorgeous ones in this year. So these were so fitting for the theme, and these were only £1.59 from the range. What a bargain. So yeah, definitely look in the range as well. I think these ones are from the range too.
Yeah.
These green ones, like glass and clear green. Yeah, we got a whole bag here full from the range. These are like more burgundy. I don't know, what are we going to do in red or burgundy?
We'll see what we'll put up.
But yeah, these are all from the range as well. And how nice are these? Again, these are really inexpensive. £1.99, £1.99, and then the green ones are £1.59. And then yeah, these are all from the Inspiration Wholesale place. And then these again are all from the range. They have this shape in those green ones from the range too. Oh, where's this from? Yeah, Mum's just clarified this is from the range, guys. I thought it was because it's the only real place we've been. How nice is that? Definitely keep your eyes peeled for that. Anyway, guys, I am going to crack on. So let's decorate our Christmas tree for Christmas 2025.
Whoa, oh, oh. La, 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 oh, oh. La, 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 oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, la, la. Gaze upon the sky, Christmas on my mind, somewhere from a place up high above. There's a song of love traveling afar, seeking us to warm up every heart, to be your light into
Okay guys, I just thought I'd come back on and show you the tree in all of its glory. I've included a few shots with the lights and without the lights, just because sometimes I feel like you can see the decorations a little bit clearer without the lights. And also, that's why I always decorate without the lights on, because, I don't know, I feel like I can just see the tree better. But yeah, this is my Christmas tree for 2025. Let me know what you guys think. I am absolutely obsessed. I just feel like it's everything that I wanted out of my tree this year. Feels very Christmassy, a little bit nostalgic, just the bears, the tartan. I'm really, really pleased with how it's all come together. I realised as well that when I was editing, I didn't actually have a clip of like my bows. I think on my reel on Instagram, there's a little bit of a demo of how I do them. But honestly, so easy. You just get a piece of ribbon and like lay it on your table and cross just two of the obviously sides over, and then you just pinch it in the middle, get a little bit of wire, and it goes like that. So simple. But yeah, anyway guys, thank you so much for watching my Christmas tree for 2025. Let me know what you guys think, and I shall see you all in my next video.